In this video I'm gonna show you how to bring back Hibernate option in your Windows PC. When you click the power menu, Windows may offer different options like shut down, sleep and hibernate. Here is the difference. Shut down turns the PC off completely. When you start up the PC again, you have to manually open the last used applications and files to resume your work. In sleep mode, PC is not turned off. However, is put into low power consumption dormant state. When you start operating your PC, you're instantly back to where you left off. On the other hand, Hibernate saves the open applications and its current state in your hard disk, and then turns the PC off. When you start up the PC again, you're back to where you left off, but not as fast as sleep. Please remember, Hibernate might not be available for all PCs. To check if your hardware supports Hibernate, please open Command Prompt and type this command. /CFG /A and hit enter. You should see Hibernate under sleep states available. And these are the sleep states that are not available. If you see Hibernate over here, then maybe your computer hardware does not support Hibernate. We will now see how to enable Hibernate in supported systems. Open Control Panel. Look for Power Options. If you don't see Power Options, then go to View By and select Large Icons. Go to Power Option. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. You might see Hibernate option, grayed out. Just tap on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you can enable Hibernate. Save changes and close all these windows. Here you go, I have restored Hibernate option in my power menu. In some cases, you might need to restart the PC for these changes to take effect.